So I'm in this place called Ivy's in the Keys. Basically, after touring the military housing for the past 2 days, I started to feel fatigued. You could ask anyone around me. I was sneezing like a maniac. And I just generally started to feel like run down, like I was getting sick. So this idea came up to get some IVs, and I just couldn't turn that idea down. I think it was right after the glutathione. I mean, I've only been sitting in this chair for like 5 minutes. I already feel so much better, and the massage portion of this chair doesn't suck either. So there's B6, B12, vitamin C, and glutathione in here, amongst a couple other things. So it's getting high doses of vitamins to help kind of kickstart the detox process. And after feeling so fatigued and literally like the onset of symptoms is as if I'm getting sick in real time visiting these homes, I feel my body feels like relaxed right now, and getting all these vitamins and nutrients is really helpful, especially dealing with a bunch of mold exposure. I can't believe people are actually living in those places. I mean, I really still can't believe it. Going into each home for 10, 15 minutes and starting to feel sick within a 2-day period. I mean, I can't imagine what they're going through living there day in and day out, 24/7, sleeping there 8 hours a night. But I'm glad that I'm already feeling better getting this IV right now. A couple more houses, this trip will be done, but getting in there and seeing the problems firsthand and being able to help them as an expert, understanding what's going on and being able to help them through this process, it's worth it, you know? And so sacrificing my body because everybody else has been sacrificing theirs. And I'm glad I have great teams of doctors around me that can help me try to stay as healthy as possible in my very hazardous career that I have chosen here.